If you love Tuscan chicken, wait till you try this rotisserie Tuscan chicken lasagna soup. It is absolutely delicious. Takes less than 40 minutes. So without further ado, let's jump in. To begin, I have my pot on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Then I'm going in with my onion. Going to give that a stir just like this. Now I'm going in with my sun-dried tomatoes. This is where all the flavor of the Tuscan is coming from with the sun-dried tomato. After you add your sun-dried tomato, go ahead and add some garlic. We're gonna allow this to fragrant a little bit, and then we'll add our tomato paste, okay? This is gonna make it nice and thick and also give it a beautiful color. I'm going to fry that for a little bit, and now I'm going in with my seasoning. In here I have some smoked paprika, some pepper flakes with Italian seasoning. We're just waking up the seasoning by just frying it up a little bit, and then we're going in with our chicken broth. Just slowly add that in just like this. That is perfect. Now I'm going in with about 1/4 cup of pasta sauce, just to make it nice and thick and give it a beautiful color. You can use whatever pasta sauce that you like. Now I have a rotisserie chicken that I grabbed from my local Publix store that I'm going to basically shred this. This is just to make this recipe goes as fast as we can, especially when we hungry, want to eat right away. So I'm going to just shred them like this, or you can use a knife to just shred them, but there's nothing to it really. Just shred them with your fingers, and then we're going to add that to our pot. Now I'm just going to set the skin aside. I just don't like the texture of the skin when it comes to soup. But if you like the skin, go ahead and add everything in. And this is how our chicken looks. Let's add it to our pot. Now it's time to add the lasagna noodles. We're just gonna break them and add them in there. There's no right way to break these. Just randomly just break them, and pretty much it. And now it's the time for me to add in my heavy whipping cream. Just pour that in just like this. Oh, that is perfect. Then we're going to season a little bit more now. I have a little bit of salt and pepper. I have a bay leaf in there to add some flavor, and also a little bit of chicken bouillon, okay? Perfect. Now last but not least, let's add some spinach. Now I'm going to give that a nice stir just like this, and I'm going to cover it. Allow it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And just like that, in 20 minutes, our soup is done. Smells absolutely divine. Now I'm going in with a little bit of fresh basil, you know, to give it that aroma, of course. And also I have some freshly grated Parmesan going in just like, ooh, just like this. You can add as much as you want, but it is pretty much done. Let me grab my bowl, and I am going to serve this as we speak. Look at that. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. The chicken is nicely shredded. Honestly, if you lactose intolerant, you don't have to use the heavy whipping cream. You can just leave it out or use less if you like. But look at this. This is a bowl of comfort right here. Look at that. Perfect. You already know this soup is comforting, delicious. Let's give it a try, y'all. So good. I'm telling you, pure comfort. So flavorful, extremely flavorful. Especially on a cold day, this will warm you up. Amazing. Y'all gotta try it. As always, the recipe will be down below. I notice a lot of you guys don't know that. It's in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like and comment down below if you want to make this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.